How to get animated stickers on WhatsApp. As you can see in this video, I will show you how to get animated sticker like this on your WhatsApp. So if you want to get it, just tap on this emoji icon, tap on this sticker section, scroll to down. As you can see here, all are stickers that I added on my WhatsApp. So you can be able now to get all these stickers on your WhatsApp. All you have to do is close up your WhatsApp. So go to Play Store or App Store. After you come to Play Store or App Store, all you have to do just type in WhatsApp sticker. So tap on this first application. So go and install this application. After you install this application, just go and open the application. So after you open the application, it will take you to this interface. As you can see here, all are the stickers. As you can see, all these are animated stickers. All you have to do is tap on this add button to add the stickers to your WhatsApp. Just tap on this add button to add the stickers to your WhatsApp. If this video helps you, don't forget to like or subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.